Hello guys, and welcome to another day with ZIMALETA. In today's video I'm showing you the continuation of this color flip-flop type of a job that was sent to me by Serge and Roman. They did this on a budget, so hopefully you guys like what they have to show, and it's gonna be them talking throughout the video.
No. Serge, this is the finished product. Look at this. Wet. She is very wet. Look at this. No buffing necessary. No dirt. Very, very clean. Look at this. Look how shiny this is. Here's the hood. Hood always gets dirty and I got no dirt on it, really. So, guys, look how wet this is. Here's the deal. All you guys can paint the cars right in your garage on a small budget. Just a little bit of plastic. That's it. Wet your floors down, clean up, make sure you tape everything out like this. You tape your paper to the floor, vacuum everything out, and wet the floor a little bit. You can use one of these, just wet the walls from the dust, and that's it. And just go little by little, make it slow, you don't have to rush, and you get a finished product like a pros do. And just the way it is. And this is the owner of the car, Roman. Wave to everybody. That was his first experience painting a car.
Yeah.
Awesome. And he's gonna be a pro in short while. Serge, you can do the same thing. You follow the instructions I told you, you can do the same thing and be like a pro. Look at this. How wet it is. And this is in a garage. Most people in paint booths get the same results as I did, and if I want to I can buff it for more shine, but I don't think we're gonna buff this at all. This is really good. It's got almost like the manufacturer orange peel, and it's got a high gloss on it. I think it looks really perfect.
Вот такая вот тема получается. Солнце чуть-чуть темнее. Бомбезно!
Сиди, что скажешь? Нормально, все пойдет. Свежая краска. Бампирок, да? Просто бомба. А это видно. Никогда не думал, что буду увидеть такое. Значит, Серега, смотри, как обклеивается машина полностью. Вот здесь. И все по полу. Потому что когда красишь, чтобы пыль не вылетала наверх, меньше пыли будет. Потом в проеме. Видишь, такой поролончик идет. Вот, видишь? Это специальный поролон, который покупается в AutoZone или в любом paint store, чтобы оверспрей не был inside the jams. И она идет везде. Вот. Здесь.
И пойми, лишь только в небеса.
Все. Через пару часов будем, наверное, сегодня после 2 часов будем красить. Убитый бампер был, который, смотри, какой, все уже сделали. Теперь все краски наши. Всегда выставляешь краски, вешаешь пистолет, чтобы у тебя всегда было все готово. You put black color on. You put black color on for the base, and then you put the pearl on. So when you do a full color change, you want to take everything off like this and go slow. Don't go fast, and you'll make it nice and loud. Just don't rush it down, and you can make it happen.
My name is Serge ZIMALETA. I'm 37 years old, and yes, I experienced success after buying my first home for cash. Back in 2011, I was broke. but I learned to solve problems on my own. Now I'm helping others to solve their problems. I know what pitfalls to avoid to stay profitable in business. Need motivation to be more successful in your life? Do you have Sprinter expedite their business problems? Then subscribe. Let's find creative solutions to your problems. Hit the bell notification so you don't miss any of my helpful videos.